Hi, my name is Linda. I live in Maryland and I work as a physician assistant in the emergency department. I knew I wanted to be in medicine and I wanted to serve. I joined when I was 17 in the Army. It was terrifying, just coming out of boot camp. It's definitely an experience and you grow. I became a surgical technologist. I was mobilized to Washington State, where we replaced people that went to Iraq. I've also worked at Walter Reed Hospital to see patients coming back and to be able to care for them. That was very rewarding. We have to be calm and say, okay, we're going to get through this day today, just one day at a time. Everything you're going to do is going to be a fear. It's really the faith and being optimistic that it's going to work out. The military has brought me a lot of character and strength that I have, and makes you who you are. I really believe we're going to get through this.